Hi everyone, I got a really exciting package in the mail today. A few months back, I entered a competition held by Nail Swag Pigments. They are a raw pigment distributor in Australia and their pigments are absolutely amazing. The competition there was no theme, it was just you have to use their pigments in your sets, and they have a collection called Welcome to the Jungle. So I did a set based on that concept and I used all the pigments in that collection, and I won. There's two categories, novice and intermediate. Novice is up to 2 years experience and intermediate is 2 years onwards. So I was in novice because I haven't been doing it for overly that long, and I came first. So first prize is you get the whole collection that they currently have. I know since I won the competition they've added she's added more products to her range, so she's supplied as much as she could. I'm happy with anything. I'm over the moon that I even got a look in. I didn't even think, like, I knew I was up against some amazing artists, so I didn't even expect to place. Second prize was a $75 voucher. So yeah, this came today and I've already cut the bag open but have not opened it. So you guys will get a first look at the current range that she stocks. Also, since the competition, she's recently said that she'll no longer be doing it in bags. She'll be supplying all her pigments in containers, these 20-gram containers that she supplies, which is amazing. Much more convenient. So it comes with, so this is everything that's in the package except for these two. I think they're completely discontinued. Wisteria I already have. So the collections, I think there's between 4 and 6 colors per collection. So let's have a look, see. Where do I begin? Oh, this is so heavy. Oh my god. There is just so much. Okay, so we have the Rainbow Brite collection. Let's just... And pigments can be super messy, so no doubt by the end of this will be just covered in colours, because I think some will just tip out from the top where she sealed it, which I don't care. I really don't mind. So we have Rainbow Brite collection in Starlight. Now some of these colours marble because of how they're mixed, so it's easier to work. It's better to work wetter so that you can play with it, tickle it on the nail. Basically just like really just move it around on the nail and to get rid of the marbling. So that's a stunning purple colour. Buddy Blue. Patio Green. This is a neon green. Wow. Canary Yellow to neon. Spark. Another neon. Twilight. Twinkle. Night Sprite. This is what I used on my nails. So I don't think I have the whole Rainbow Brite collection. No, I don't. I must not have. I must have just purchased a couple separate ones. So that is the Rainbow Brite collection. They're amazing, these colours. They're so bright and so vivid. Next we have the multicolour. Now I'm pretty sure I have this whole collection already. Okay, we have Violet Vault, and these are all metallic colours. Purple Violet, it's a gorgeous pale purple. We have Violet, which looks more of a fuchsia with a purple reflect, blood orange, really nice tangerine sort of colour, yellow fizz. This is a nice muted yellow, it's not a vibrant. It's like a pale, it's slightly pale. Flash gold, beautiful gold pigment. Gold green is stunning. I'm not overly a green fan, but this colour is beautiful. And peacock, this is a must-have shade. This is so popular. You see, I hope the camera's picking up how beautiful it is. It has a slight yellow gold reflect in it, which makes it look like an aqua colour, aqua teal sort of colour, but it's beautiful. Now, the Bowie. I keep saying Bowie. David Bowie. This is based on the names. We have Space Oddity, which is like a periwinkle colour. Under Pressure. It's a nice, not hot pink, but it's slightly pale. Magic Dance, another neon orange. Life on Mars. And Ashes to Ashes, which is what I used with the Night Sprite on my nails. Now we have the Envy collection. Bluebell, nice sky blue. Goblin King. These have a very slight shimmer to them. Making Me Blush. I don't know if it's the packaging or very slight shimmer. Melon Talon. Green with Envy, and the Riddler. Now this one you can see is marbling just inside the package. It hasn't quite mixed properly, so I'll have to give that a good shake. What is this one? This one doesn't have a name, a collection name, so I'm guessing these are the individual colors. So we have Bright White, beautiful, sort of just gives me wedding vibes. Maroon, this color is beautiful. I didn't see this on the list. No. Oh, that's stunning. Nice metallic maroon color. Sage. I'm excited. This isn't on the list either. It's another nice metallic green. Goldilocks. It's a white with a pale gold reflect. Black Pearl. Very hard to see in this packaging, but it's a metallic black. And Chocolate. Ooh. My neutral girls will like these. And what have we got here? The Welcome to the Jungle collection. Alrighty, Anaconda. This gold is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's so vibrant and so reflective. Borneo and Singhara. Oh, please forgive me. Sinharaja forest. Jesus Christ, I cannot pronounce that for the life of me. I'm gonna have to Google that because I hate butchering names, but I just completely butchered that one up. these two greens complement each other so well. And this one's got a gold reflex in it. Lima, which is a sort of charcoal grey colour. Bengal, after the Bengal tiger. Amazon Kingfisher. This is a very nice silver blue. And macaw. This colour is beautiful as well. It's got a slight gold. I'm running out of room on my table. Sweet Treats collection. So, Violet Crumble. Gorgeous deep purple, plummy colour. Strawberry. This one doesn't have a name, so I'll have to look that up. I'm not sure which one that is. Sweet Treats collection, apple. Banana. That's a gorgeous yellow. And mint leaves. I am so keen to try this because I'm not a green fan, but I do like the mint shades, and this is a very, very, very nice mint. Unicorn collection. Octavia. It's so hard to describe this color. It's almost a light brown with purple undertones and gold reflex. Sweetie Belle. It's Twilight Sparkle. Now these colors are quite similar, but this is more purple tone and this is more blue tone. Now these two don't have names. Oh, this one does. This one doesn't. So this is Sakura, which is a black grey with gold reflex, gold shimmer in it. This one here, I'm just wondering, I might have this in my collection. Yep, I do. This one is Starlight Glimmer. I'm just thinking that pink from earlier was raspberries. So I had strawberries, and that other pink from the Sweet Treats is raspberries, the nameless one. And Rarity, which made an appearance in my copper set. And this color is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And last but not least is the Mermaid collection. Now from memory, Mermaid collection has no names. No individual names. Alrighty, so I have this white with just pink on the outside. It's similar to the Brite white. Probably it's a mixture. It's like medium between Brite white and Goldilocks because it's got a slight gold glimmer to it. And then we have this very pale lavender. It's lavender with a touch of more on the pink side. Purple. Bit of a more cool tone. So this is more of a warm tone purple. This is more of a cool tone purple. This is more, it's cooler again, more blue. And blue, darker blue, and a lighter blue. So that is the full collection currently. Now, I've just realized that I did get a couple of extra individual colors, but I didn't get any of the special effect pigments. so I don't think that was included in the full collection, which is kind of a bummer, but I can't complain since I won this whole collection, so I'm not going to be ungrateful about it. I'll just purchase it another time, but I think I'm good for a little while because I already have the Chameleon Chromes. I did want to try Aurora and the Red Amber, but yeah, I'll grab that another time. But yeah, thank you so much to Nail Swag Pigments. I am beyond grateful for the opportunity to enter the competition and to be chosen. I know it was not an easy choice for you at all. You had to get your partner in as well, and he helped you to decide. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I cannot wait to do some more nail art with all your amazing pigments. And thank you all for watching. Head over to nailswag.com.au if you want to have a look at what's on offer. And yeah, enjoy. Go test it out because her pigments are just amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye.